Hello friends, English prosody we have seen three metrical feet. First one is I am, second is procky. Now today we have got spondee. I am, this mark like this. You have unstressed, stressed, two syllables. Then you have, say, as you said, belong. Belong. See, that's an example for it. Then crocky, you have stressed and stressed. You have tiger. Tiger. Now spondee, again two syllables, two stressed ones. This is spondee. For example, hopeful. 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 Both are stressed. Now, nowhere you will find this meter used by poets, say, not in a whole poem, so to say. Part you will find, only in parts you will find, not in a whole poem. Because the purpose of spondee is to stress particular words or to provide an emotional experience or to convert the normal into a dramatic. See, in Tennyson's your famous dance, no? Break, break, see that? Both are stressed. Break, break on the cold grey stones, O sea. Break, break on the cold grey stones, O sea. See the line, break, break on thy cold stones, O sea. Understand? So there what happens is, to give importance or stress to break, break. Cold grey stones, cold grey. So here you will find only in these two, there is only one metrical foot here. Others follow some other pattern. Listen. In Othello, there's a famous line, if I do prove her hag, though her tresses were my dear heartstrings. If I do prove her hag, if I do prove her hag, though that her tresses were my dear, though her tresses were my dear heart strings. So here it is, heart strings. Heart strings. So this part is to be stressed and so spondee is used. Or in Troy lesson, there's a famous line, cry, cry, Troy burns or else let Helen go. Cry, 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 Troy burns or let Helen go. So here this one, this is spondee. Now all these lines you will find, see, break, break, emphasize, heart strings, emphasize, cry, cry, emotional and dramatic. So as we already see, I told you, symmetrical foot of two syllables, both are stressed, and it is specially meant for creating an effect, dramatic effect. Okay, more of this you will find when you read poems. There are certain things are to be stressed, points they turn to spondee. Okay, so Till we meet again. Bye. Now it's easy now to remember. Am, trochee and spondee. So two more important meters are there. They are anapest, stress on P, and dactyl. They are 3-syllable foot. Now these are 2-syllable foot. They are a 3-syllable foot. Understand? That you will see next time. Till then, bye.